In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up Discord onboarding. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your PC and go to the server where you want to set up onboarding. Click the server name in the top left corner, then select Server Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Onboarding. If you don't see this option, make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage the server and that Discord is updated. Start by setting up your default channels. These are the channels that new members will automatically see when they join your server. Choose important channels, such as General Chat, Welcome, and Rules. Keep your default channels simple and useful. New members should be able to understand the basics of your server and know where to go next without feeling overwhelmed. Next, create your customization questions. Click to add a question and provide several answer options. You can use these answers to automatically assign roles or show specific channels to new members. For example, you could ask, "What are you here for?" and provide different interests or topics as answers. Members can then receive roles or access channels based on their selections. Keep your questions short and easy to understand. 2 to 5 choices per question is a good starting point. You can also decide whether each question is required or optional. After setting up your channels and questions, use the preview option to see what onboarding looks like for a new member. Go through the process as if you're joining the server for the first time. Check that the questions are clear, the choices make sense, and the correct roles and channels are assigned. When everything looks good, enable onboarding. New members will now go through the onboarding process when they join your server. You can return to the onboarding settings anytime to update your default channels, questions, roles, and other options as your community grows. And that's it. You've learned how to set up Discord onboarding by configuring default channels, creating customization questions, previewing the experience, and enabling onboarding. And that's how to set up Discord onboarding. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.